Hi guys, so here in this video we're going to discuss about Railway Group D expected cutoff for the Ahmedabad zone for the year 2018 to 2019. Okay, so let us start our video guys. So guys, if you like this, hit like button and share this video, and also subscribe to our channel. And down below in the description section, so we have provided our WhatsApp number, so add that WhatsApp number and send message hi, so that you will receive latest job notifications through WhatsApp. So go to the description for more details. So here you can see this is the expected cutoff for the Ahmedabad region. So here in this video you can able to find the expected cutoff for this Ahmedabad region. So before going to that, so you have to remember a few things. So the first thing is this is only just an expected cutoff, and the second thing is, so this is just for your reference purpose. So we have analyzed this by the factors like the number of candidates appeared for the examination and total number of posts and the exam difficulty level. Okay, so we analyzed that and we have made this cutoff. Okay, so the official cutoff maybe varies with this slightly, but the official cutoff will comes near to this cutoff. Okay, so let us start this. So first of all, so this is the zone Ahmedabad. For general candidates, the expected cutoff will be from 66 to 70 marks, and for the OBC candidates, the expected cutoff marks will be from 61 to 65, and for the SC candidates, the expected cutoff marks will be from 53 to 59 marks. Okay, and for the ST candidates, the expected cutoff marks will be from 43 to 47. Okay, so these are the cutoff marks for the Ahmedabad region guys. Okay, so this is just for your reference purpose. So thanks guys, thanks for watching this video guys. Okay, if you like this, hit like button and share this video, and also subscribe to our channel guys.